Welcome back to Brick by Brick. Today we're going to be going over the disadvantages of investing in Lego. So investing in Lego has generally been a great investment for me. Many of them have done quite well, but there are downsides to investing in anything, and today we're going to be going over some of the downsides to investing in Lego. So one of the main downsides is that it takes a lot of storage space. It's going to take a lot of space to store the sets before you end up selling them. You generally want to keep them for at least probably a year or two after they retire, and you may buy them before then, so it's going to take up a lot of storage for a couple of years, but generally after that you'll be able to sell them and make back some profit. But the storage can be an issue. You generally want to make sure it's in not a humid place or anywhere that could get flooded or in like fire danger area. You want to make sure it is well protected and usually above ground level, just in case something happens on ground level. But I keep mine up in high shelves in some cabinets that have been able to pretty well protect the sets from ever being damaged. I don't think I've ever had an incident. I've accidentally dropped one or two, but that's been about it of the sets that have been damaged while I've been holding them in my collection. And then another one is it's going to take some time to just find out, for one, how your Lego investment did. If you could keep it, buy it before it retires, and then keep it for a year, it's going to take a little bit before you can actually see what it's going for and see that big increase in price. Generally, there will be an increase in price right after the set retires for the next few months, but it can be hard to see those gains. It will take a little bit of time to be able to manage the data and to better understand how well the Lego set has performed after it has retired and what people are willing to pay for it after it was retired in the post-retirement market. And another downside to selling with Lego is that it is going to take, it's going to take a lot of time, and it also is a bit of a difficult buying and selling process. If you were to invest in, say, a stock or a bond or a mutual fund, it's very easy to just go on pretty much any brokerage, select the bond, stock, or mutual fund that you want to buy, and then buy it, and it'll happen almost instantaneously. But with Lego, it's going to take a lot of time. You generally have to buy the sets, you have to do the research to find them on sale. Then you have to buy them when they're on sale if you can, and then they get shipped to your house or wherever you end up holding on to them. And then you need to store them for a while, which, like I mentioned previously, is going to take a lot of effort. And then you will be able to eventually end up selling the set. And when you do, it's going to be able to sometimes be a difficult process. I usually do mine through auctions or buy it now on eBay. And the process of getting the set ready to be shipped out and getting shipping, usually the buyer pays for shipping, so I usually don't have to worry about that, but sometimes shipping does end up costing more than eBay estimated it would, so that comes out of the profits, and that can be another downside to investing in Lego. But overall, I've had a great time investing in Lego. It's been one of my top performing investments that I have in my portfolio, and it's been a great one to invest in. Some themes do better than others, and I have plenty of videos going over some of the benefits of investing in different themes and different size Lego sets. But overall, it's been a great investment. It does have some downsides, and feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.